लोग ने देखा कि इस क्वेश्चन में जो 72,000 नेट प्रॉफिट था, उसमें से इन्होंने क्या किया कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल और सैलरी दोनों को माइनस करने के बाद जो आया 25,800, इसको यहाँ इक्वली बांट दिया ए एक्स और वाई में, बिकॉज इन दिस क्वेश्चन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो इज नॉट गिवन. So whenever there is no partnership deed regarding interest on regarding profit sharing ratio, so we assume it equal proportion. Always we distribute the divisible profit in equal proportion between the partners, right? So here we transfer share of profit between x and y. So divided by 2, 25,800 will be divided by 1 by 2. So this will be 12,900 each of x and y, and hence transfer into current account. As we know that we are maintaining partners fixed capital account. So this we prepare two accounts. So okay, let us continue to the capital account. So as I have told already initially of this question, before solving the question, okay, today we will solve the question of partners fixed capital. So as I have said already, in capital account, when capital is fixed, we record only and only capital. So here balance BD is given 2,50,000 for X and 1,80,000 for Y. So this same amount should be as a closing balance. But you have remember, I have told you all people, fixed capital can be changed only in two circumstances: when a partner introduced additional capital during the year, or when a partner withdrew from capital or withdrew against capital as permanent basis. So in this question, it has been said from 1st July, both the partners will maintain rupees 2 lakh each. So X having the 2,50,000, so he will withdraw against capital 50,000, writing here to bank on 1st July. And Y having 1,80,000 and he should maintain 2 lakhs. So for that he will bring 20,000 to maintain 2 lakhs, right? So on 1st July by bank. So now we total is 2 lakh, 2,50,000, and now we balance it. So 2,50,000 minus 50, it will be 2 lakhs on 31st March 2018. To balance it is 2 lakh and 2 lakh. So now we having the both partners capital same. Right, so this is what capital account. Capital account is finished. No interest on capital, no salary, no person, nothing is to be given in the capital account. For all these things, we prepare a separate account that is known as partner's current account. So now you can understand that if there is no additional capital and drawing, the capital account remains always same. That's why it is called fixed capital. Okay. So see here current account. So in current account in this question, so X having the credit balance given 5,000 and Y having the debit balance 30,000. In the question, initially it has been given. We can see the question by scrolling back. So opening capital of X having the credit, so Y balance waiting, and current account balance, and for Y 30,000 debit balance. The two balance waiting we will write in debit side, right? Now all the income is to be given in the credit side of the partner's current account. Now interest on capital 70,000 and 15,600. Salary to partner 4,000 and 9,600. And drawing has been made. Ooh. So Y has withdrawn the amount of salary every month. So 9,600 is the salary of Y, and same amount will be drawing, because in the question it is clearly said the Y has drawn his salary regularly. So total drawing is 9,600 of Y. Now share of profit equally we had divided 12,900, 12,900. So we write here by profit and loss application account, right? So now after writing this, we need to close the account. Okay, if we are closing this, so here X total is coming 38,900, which is more, and 38,900 this side also we will write, and the balancing figure will be 38,900 same for X to balance it, because nothing is to minus here in the debit side of X. Now if we are going to calculate a Y's current account, so Y's current account opening balance having the debit, So 30,000 debit and 9,000. 39,000 is the debit balance. You can see 39,600. This is more. So this same amount we will write in the credit side. And now we will minus this 15,600 interest on capital, 9,600 and 12,900. We add these three items and will subtract from 39,600. The balancing figure would be 1,500. This will be called by balance sheet or closing balance. This is debit balance because debit side is more. That's why it is debit balance. And X having the credit balance of 38,900 because having the only in credit side. So I think students, you all are very much clear ki how to prepare partners capital account and current account. So in capital account we record only capital, and current account we record all the drawings, income, expenses of the partners. At last we will balance it. And while we prepare part PL appropriation account, in case of fixed capital, so all the amount we transfer into the current account instead of capital account, or in place of capital account we record in current account, right? तो इसको आप अच्छे से एक बार रिवाइज कर लोगे स्टूडेंट्स, इससे रिलेटेड आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे. Any confusion students? Is there any confusion? You can ask, because it is very clear कि net profit is this. Net profit was rupees 80,000 and in 80 from 80,000 we have given 10% commission to the managers, and the remaining profit will be net profit. It will be transferred into appropriation account. Then we divide this 72,000 according to partnership date, like interest on capital, salary, and remaining profit will be transferred to partners current account as a divisible profit in equal proportion, because no profit sharing ratio is given. And now we prepare capital account, opening balance, this and this, and they Y has introduced additional capital 20,000 and X has withdrawn to 50,000. Now find total and balance 2 lakh 2 lakh. After current account, the opening balance of X is given 5,000 and Y is given debit balance 30,000. Now Y has been drawing 9,600. How 9,600 has come? Because in the question it is saying that the salary of Y has been drawn regularly. So equal drawing will be equal to salary, and X salary is 4,000 annual. So now after that we have divided the profit equally between the partners, and after that we total it one by one. First we do total of X. The X credit side is more 38,900 and nothing in the debit side to minus in X account. So the same amount will be balance sheet. And Y's account if we are observing, so debit side is more because 30,000 is the opening balance, 9,600 is the drawing, so 39,600. And credit side is less, 15,600 is the interest, 9,600 salary, 12,900 is share of profit. So these three items will be minus from 39,600. The balancing figure will be coming up 1,500. That's it. And these are the calculation of interest on capital, students. Okay, now class is over today. Do this and revise it again and again. Then